Hi guys, this is your DK again. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to identify a particular color from a video. In the previous video, we saw OpenCV reads the image in the RGB file format. But now we are going to introduce you to the new file format, which is HSV. HSV is nothing but a hue, saturation and value. The reason over why we are preferring HSV file format over RGB is like in RGB, each pixel in an image is represented by a combination of three different channels and their values. This means change in the brightness can cause significant changes in the RGB values, even if the color remains the same. This makes a computer or OpenCV for a tedious to recognize a particular color. On the other hand, we have a HSV, which is nothing but a hue, saturation and value, which allows for more intuitive color manipulation. This makes it easier to identify and filter specific colors, especially when the lighting conditions are changing. The HSV color space is more uniform than the RGB color space. Now let's jump into the demo. Let's import CV2 first. So I'm going to type import CV2. Once I have imported CV2, I'm going to read the video. So for that I need to write something like cap equal to CV2 dot video capture. So video capture is the one which is going to capture my live video, and I'm going to read the video. For that I'm going to do it in an infinite number of times. So I'm going to create an infinite loop of while of 1. So if while of 1, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to read the video by frame. So I'm going to mention something like cap.read. So this is going to read the video. Once I have read the video, I need to convert this into a HSV image. So we saw default OpenCV reads in RGB image file format. So I need to convert the RGB into HSV. For that, what I need to do is like HSV equal to cv2 dot cbt color, and I'm going to convert this frame. The frame is what I have read the image, the video. The video has been converted into slices of images and it is in read as an image. So I'm going to convert this into cv2 dot color underscore bgr to HSV. So basically BGR to HSV is the one which is going to convert my BGR image like into HSV1. So after that, what I'm going to do is like I'm just gonna display the same. Actually, I'm not going to do anything apart from it. So I'm gonna show the same. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to show cv2.im show. First I'm going to, sorry, it's in capital, it should be in small case. cv2.im show. First I'm going to show first image like raw image. So if this is frame, so what I'm reading in frame, I'm going to display the same. That is my first thing. Second, what I'm going to do is like cv2.im show. This is the HSV image. So I'm going to pass HSV over here. So what I'm reading it as a converting BGR to HSV, right? I'm going to display the same over here. So then what I'm going to do is like I need to terminate this loop actually at one point. So I'm going to wait for the input key cv2 dot wait field. So I'm gonna press something like whenever I press escape, I need to come out of the loop. So I'm gonna give this one. So let me type the same. If k equal to 27 represents the escape key, I'm gonna break actually. Not only break, I need to destroy the window. So for that, I need to do is like cv2 dot destroy all window. It's going to destroy all my window. I think it should be windows over there. And cap.release. Cap.release releases the image which we are reading again and again. So like in Python, we used to close the file once we open in a write mode, right? Similarly, I need to close the file. That's why I am giving cap.release over here. Let me run piece of code and see what's happening. Okay, there is an error over there. If it should be if, okay. Okay, I think it's taking some time. Yeah, it is opening two images. Yeah, so this is the real image, which is me, and this is the HSV kind of image. So it's converting the real image into an HSV image. So that's what you are able to see over here. Yeah, in order to terminate it, I need to click on something over here. If I click on escape, this process will get completed. So what I need to do is like I need to get particular image alone, like out of not the particular image, particular color around from the image. So what I need to do is like I have something like a green color, so we need to identify the HSV pattern for each and every color. So I know the green color pattern, so I'm going to mention the same. So here it is, lower level equal to np.array. As we already saw, at the end of the day, it's going to be a numpy array of pixels. So I'm gonna mention green colors pixel, lower range and upper range. Like lower range and upper range varies from light green to dark green, something like that. And upper level something like this is something like a dark color of the green color, and above lower level is something like a light green color, something like that. Okay, so let me mention this one, comma 255, comma 255. So this is the lower level and this is the upper level. So what I need to do is like I need to filter those colors which is in the lower and upper. So mask equal to cv2.in range. In range is the function, inbuilt cv2 function, which helps in capturing that particular color alone. So I'm going to pass the HSV image. So this is the image which we converted right from BGR to HSV, and I'm going to mention the lower level and upper level so that it will display the particular color alone, and upper level over here. So what I'm gonna do is like, okay, this should be fine, and let me try to print the same. Let me try to show the frame over here. cv2.im show. So this is the masked image. Let me make it as mask. Let me run the same. Let us see what's happening over here. Okay, the video is turning on. Okay, there is some issue over there. Okay, I didn't import numpy, so I need to import numpy as np import numpy as np. Yeah, you run it again. Yeah, you can see here, right? This is the real image. There should be three different ones. This is my real image, and this is my HSV image. In this, I'm filtering only the green color. Let me bring something green color. Yeah, you can see, right? Let me show you in the real image. So I have something like a green color out of the overall image. This is the HSV image. From this HSV image, what I have done is like I'm just filtering this green color alone. So you can see, right, this green color alone. Whenever I move, let me show this parallelly. Yeah, wherever I move, right, this one, so that particular green color alone will get highlighted. Let me check if I have other green color images with me. Yeah, I do have a mirror with me. Yeah, this is some kind of a mirror I have, so you can see, right, this mirror is also of green color. So if I keep my hand, only the green color image will be displayed over there. So if you want to filter any particular image, then you need to change the lower level and upper level. Let me terminate this particular video. Yeah, you need to change this lower level and upper level of the particular color so that that particular color alone will be displayed over there. Yeah, I will paste the below code in the description. If you like the video, kindly do like and subscribe it.